Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of August. And first of all, national news. Minister S. Jayashankar took oath as Rajya Sabha member after re-election. Two Haryana men arrested for impersonating candidates in ISRO's recruitment test. Onion export duty timely move to boost domestic supply. Top official. India is about to make history. Its third lunar mission readies for a remarkable landing on the moon's southern pole on August 23, 2023. Supreme Court proposed full study of Himalayan regions carrying capacity. Byju's senior vice president Sherian Thomas resigned to lead US-based Farmnext. National Food Security card holders in Delhi to now get free sugar. Tribal group again blocked National Highway in Manipur after 3-day ultimatum. Don't want to fight with Tamil Nadu, Karnataka minister on Kaveri water row. And now some international news. Bijuli Prasad, India's oldest elephant, died at 89. Denmark giving fighter 16 jets to Ukraine leads to conflict escalation, Russia. North Korea cancelled first commercial flight post-COVID, no reason provided. High temperature pushed 0-degree line to record height in Switzerland. And now some sports news. Dominant Indian junior hockey team scored 4-0 win over England. Kerala Blasters outplayed Indian Air Force 5-0 on Monday. Indian football coach Igor Stimac not ready to predict Asian Games outcome. PM Modi will visit South Africa's Johannesburg from August 22 to 24 to attend the 15th BRICS Summit. Jasprit Bumrah continues to impress on return, equals world record feat in T20 internationals. HS Pranoy, Lakshya Sen advanced to second round of World Championships. Now news related to business. Jio Financial Services hit 5% lower circuit on its maiden trading day. Sensex rose 145 points in early trade after 2 days of decline. Science-related news. Chandrayaan 3 would not be impacted by Russia's Luna 25's failure, ISRO's scientist. Chandrayaan 3 lander module established connection with Chandrayaan 2 orbiter. And that's all in news. Thank you.